Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Totem of Undying in Minecraft on the PS5. The Totem of Undying is a unique item in Minecraft that can save your character from death, making it a valuable tool for exploration and combat. First, you need to obtain a Totem of Undying, which can be found in Woodland Mansion treasure rooms or by trading with evoker villagers. Once you have the totem, make sure it is equipped in your offhand slot, as it will not work if it is in your inventory or any other slot. When your health is depleted, the Totem of Undying will activate, restoring a small amount of health and making you temporarily invulnerable to damage. This gives you a chance to escape from danger or fight back against your attackers. To use the Totem of Undying effectively, it is essential to be aware of your surroundings and have a plan for when it activates. This may involve having a safe place to retreat to, or having a way to quickly recover health and continue fighting. It is also important to note that the Totem of Undying can only be used once, and it will be consumed when it activates. You will need to obtain another totem if you want to have the same protection again. In summary, the Totem of Undying is a powerful item that can save your character from death in Minecraft. To use it, equip it in your offhand slot, be aware of your surroundings, and have a plan for when it activates. By following these steps and using the Totem of Undying effectively, you can explore and fight with more confidence, and reduce the risk of losing your progress.